Hell yeah.
Yo, what's going on? Cuts by Reggie here real quick, just with a quick unboxing. You see the title, you see what it is. Welcome to Diamond Cuts. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, like the videos, dislike the videos, comment, share, all that good stuff, right? So we finally got the 50 cal. So Caliber has dropped the 50 cal earlier, right? Then they dropped a limited edition of the 50 cal. They got the black and the golds, right? Now they got the 50 cal BMG, which kind of got the design of the 22 Stinger. If y'all seen my review of the 22 Stinger, I'll leave the link somewhere. But I like the 22 Stinger. It was a pretty decent cordless trimmer. Make sure I ain't got no pretty decent cordless trimmer. It's not my favorite, but I would suggest using it for anybody who's looking for a new trimmer. Of course, y'all know I'm on the Babeless, the Reds, the FX3s, and I'm on the T Outliners, the Exos, the cordless ones. But anyway, so we got the unboxing of the 50 cal. All right. Got 10,000 SPM, world's fastest Japanese linear magnetic motor. Quick automatic recharge stand. 3 hours of runtime. 3 hours of runtime is not bad, but when you've been dropping clippers and you've been giving us 4 hours, sometimes 5 hours, that 3 hours seem a little light. But compared to everything else that's out, where you still got the walls and you still got the Andis clippers only giving us 90 minutes or maybe 100 minutes, 3 hours is still good. You know what I'm saying? So, excuse me. So you got the flap, boom. They also give you the inside where you get the changing cases. It comes with the black on it, but then of course you got the different colors, the gold and the silver to go with it. New breed of muscle and speed is here. Meet the fastest and most powerful clipper on the market. 50 cal BMG. So we're gonna see. We definitely gonna see. So if I can get it out, get out of there. That's the machine. We're gonna set that to the side. Of course, that's the silver, the gold, and the charging stand, the dock, which is cool. I like a dock. I'm starting getting overloaded with charging docks, especially since I'm using the wall docks now since they came in. You get your guards, you get the single magnetic. I'm pretty sure this take the gamma double magnetic, so I'm probably gonna use those. Get your power brick. I got so many of them now, especially due to phones and everything. So in the chargers now, so you got the USB cable, your charger for the dock, and they do, of course, you got the oil screwdriver. And they do send you a taper blade. So I wonder if we're going to see what blade that come with. But they do send you a taper blade on the inside of that. That's cool. I like their Caliber design right there on there. Make it, you know it's theirs. You know what I'm saying? So I like that. Look, that's the only thing I don't like about these shiny. I'm more of a matte finish. I already got smudges on it for me. They're barely tapping. I do like the 50 cal right there. As y'all know, the 50 cal, the third edition that I did a review on, it just had 50 cal written real big in the middle of it. I didn't really care for that. I'll try to find it and put it here in the video so you can see what I'm talking about. I didn't really like that bulk writing, but it's all right. So you get 3 hours of runtime, low noise technology, corded or cordless, which you buy a cordless clipper, for the most part, you want to use it cordless. The extra taper blade, friction-free dual DLC black diamond coated blade, 3 custom lids, low battery indicator. All right, so 10,000 SPM, 10,000 RPM. So let's see what the machine feel like. I do like that all black. I like that. I wish I had my 22 Stinger here with me so you could see the phone right there. That thing is shining. I like that. I like that. Nice weight. It ain't too heavy. It look a lot heavier. Like it looked like a tank. Like when you looking at it visually, but it's not as heavy. It's very light. I just got the corded clipper from Gamma, which is the I can't even think, the Power Ride. And it looks like similar, not like this, not same design, but when I say it looks like this, it looks at attention. It looks powerful, but it's a lot heavier than this. This is very light, very light. I like that matte finish. See this, I wish this finish was on some of these front facing plates. I don't really like that slick. I like that matte finish, especially on the black, but it does look good. It does come with the taper blade, thin taper blade. I mean the fade blade, my bad, fade blade, but it do give you a taper blade extra in the package. Got the click levers. So that's the design, similar to the 22 Stingers. I wish I had them here with me. I'll put a picture, boom, right here. Teamwork, 22 Stinger, 50 Cal BMG, logo right there. All right, power button. Very quiet, and there's nothing going on in the shop right now, and I'm actually here early in the morning before the shop even think about opening. So very quiet. It might sound louder through the video since there is nothing going on, but during the day, this ain't gonna be loud at all. Cutting, fading, got your stand. This is nice. I'm ready to use this. Cause I like fade blades. I used to be more of a taper blade. I like the taper blade on everything. Now I'm getting into the fade blade. Not now, but for a while I've been now getting into the fade blades. I like those. I like that thinner cut, especially like on the original 50 Cals, on the Ergos. I like that thin fade blade. You get what I'm saying? So I'm ready to use this. We definitely gonna put it to use and see what it's cooking with. See how close. Got a little room in there. It's not super zero gap, but it's cool. But it does got a wide open. So that's the 50 Cal BMG edition. Tell me if you've been able to get your hands on this, and yet they did have it on pre-order. Matter of fact, I ain't even told you how much this is, and I don't remember because I never remember how much things are when I buy them. So the price of the 50 Cal BMGs is, so maybe you get it, maybe you don't. They did have them on pre-order for a while, but anyway, and then they got the USB back here, and they with this they might take those Gamma and Stylecraft, the magnetic cords. I'm gonna see about that as well. But 50 Cal BMG, we're gonna do a review on them. We're gonna use them for about 2 weeks because I got some other stuff coming in, and I want to knock those out first. I want to knock out trying out other stuff first. I don't, when I'm testing new clippers and stuff, I don't like to be testing a bunch of stuff at once. So I'm gonna knock everything else to the side. I'm gonna get these a full charge. As you see, they did come charged, and I'm guessing this just lights up when it's dying. All right, so we're gonna set these on the charger. We're gonna see what they hitting on, and yeah, I'll give you a review. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, and I might drop some little. I just don't like those. I don't like that smudging. Follow me on Instagram at Cuts by Reggie, and I'll be dropping a few videos here and there before I actually do the full review. But that is the unboxing of the 50 Cal BMG. They do come with single magnetic guards. I'm gonna try to see if the Gamma double magnets fit on it, which I'm pretty sure they will. So those are the one I'm gonna use because I like those better than a lot of other guards out. So if you like the video, hit the thumbs up. If you dislike the video, hit the thumbs down. Comment, share the video. Stay engaged with your boy. We're trying to hit 5,000 subscribers, which I know may not happen, but we're trying to hit 5,000 subscribers before the year is out. If we do hit it, I mean, I got a big giveaway planned anyway, but if we do hit it before the new year, it's gonna be amazing because somebody's gonna be able to start the year off with a bang. You understand me? I'm talking about at 5,000 subscribers, the giveaway is gonna be something. If you don't have, like, let's put it this way. If you don't have anything to become a barber at the moment, no clippers, no trimmers, no shears, no cape, at that giveaway, if you're able to enter and win that giveaway, you're gonna be able to start your barber career right then and there. It's like if you ever been for the few that's been to barber school, college, you know, you get that starter kit. This is going to be a pretty good one. It's going to be a pretty good one. But anyway, that's at 5,000 subscribers. Like the video, dislike the video, dislike it. Yeah. But help me get to 5,000 subscribers. Either way, but help me get to 5,000 subscribers for the year out. And we out. Peace.